I am Shekhar Reddy, Vice President KREDAI, Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India. It's an apex body of the country for the builders and developers. Today, one of our chapter, KREDAI Hyderabad, the office bearers installation program is there. This installation will be done by our Honorable Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Government of Andhra Pradesh. And new office bearers will be introduced today. And today, KREDAI Hyderabad, I'm very pleased to announce they are launching code of conduct for all the developers of KREDAI. And this code of conduct means the transparency in the system. Whatever the developer promises to consumer in his agreement or brochure, he has to clearly specify in all his agreements, and this code of conduct is also part of the agreement. And every developer, whatever he commits to the customer at the time of delivery, specifications, quality of construction, and for any delay, for that penalty has to be paid. All these, a lot of transparency is there. It's a self code of conduct for all our KREDAI members. They are going to follow for all their prospective projects. Henceforth, I can say there is a lot of comfort for all the consumers of the apartments purchasers. If there is any grievance for any client of our members, they can approach our consumer grievance cell of KREDAI Hyderabad for any solution, or if there are any of grievances, they can approach us. And it is working very well in other states. It's working in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Especially for the last several years, it is working very well in Pune. Unless a developer is a member in KREDAI Pune, generally citizens are not purchasing, because there is a guarantee from the association that if anything goes wrong, association will involve and try to solve the issues within 30 to 60 days. This assurance has really made a difference between a member of KREDAI and non-member of KREDAI, and this is going to happen in Hyderabad and entire Andhra Pradesh, because this is the all India policy of KREDAI. Is extremely doing well. There is a lot of appreciation across the country from the Government of India officials, from the state government, from the media and the public, and this is a very innovative thing, and people are appreciating. We hope all our developers will maintain transparency and deliver a good title to the consumer.